Welcome to Conrad Manila, one of the premier 5-star luxury hotels in the Philippines. Perfectly located in the heart of the Mall of Asia complex. With its elegant rooms, world-class amenities, and amazing location. It's often considered one of the best luxury staycation destinations in Metro Manila. But does it truly live up to the hype? Let's find out in this full review. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick overview of Conrad Manila. Opened in 2016, this 5-star luxury hotel is part of Hilton's prestigious Conrad Hotels and Resorts brand. Its location is one of the main highlights of this hotel, conveniently located in S. Maison Mall and right beside SMX Convention Center and SM Mall of Asia. You don't even need to go out as it's connected by a sky bridge. It offers one of the most convenient locations for both business travelers and staycation guests. As expected from a luxurious 5-star hotel, Conrad Manila sits on the premium end of the price range, with standard rooms typically costing around 12,000 to 15,000 pesos per night, depending on the season and availability. In return, guests can enjoy excellent facilities including a spacious outdoor courtyard, a heated spacious pool, great views overlooking Manila Bay, a 24-hour fitness center, a luxurious spa, multiple dining options, and many other premium amenities that elevate the overall stay. Now let's do a quick room tour of our one-night stay in a King Deluxe room. A quick room tour. So this is their standard deluxe rooms, and it's the cheapest rooms, right? So they have the area here where you can leave your luggages, of course. Standard area for most of high-end hotels. So meron silang cabinet here, and as you can see, there's robes are available, Conrad branded, of course. So we have a king bed here, very spacious, and as you can see, it's carpeted. My toddler here doesn't even need to wear slippers. So comfort-wise, I'm familiar with this already kasi this is our second stay, and I would say it's a bit on the soft na mo, cushioned side, no? It's very comfortable as expected from a high-end hotel. So, yeah, spacious, and then all the lights are here. The light switches are here. So, let's show na yung curtains are being controlled by the switches here. So, if you hold it here, it will automatically turn up the blinds. As you can see here, motorized siya. See? So we have like the view of IKEA here. And this is the SMX convention. So here there's 2 tables. Alarm clock here, and then a nice sofa here. So medyo spacious, malaki yung room talaga, no mo? For this type of hotel talaga, you'll expect a large room. And then here, there's a workstation. If you need to work and do your business stuff, and of course, you can also use this for dining in. Although meron na siyang smaller table here that you can use for in-room dining. And then there's USB outlets here. Although USB-A, walang USB-C, Ethernet cable. And ito yung in-room dining menu. And then they have this TV here. Let's check if it's a smart TV. I don't think it's a smart TV, but let's see. So it doesn't open. Maybe. Yeah, there you go. So as you can see, they have our name here already. And then television, and then dining, and etc. So it's like they have their own system. No smart TV, which is a big goo. So apparently, on the other rooms, you can actually use YouTube and Netflix. So via streaming. I'm not sure on our room because this is an LG. Yung sa amin, Samsung eh. So baka, I think they upgraded to mga to. Kasi kanina tinitingnan ko na siya. Wala. So the other rooms has the LG one or the semi-smart semi-smart TV. If you're wondering what's this one, it contains the um, ref, mini ref that they have, with water, coffee maker, or the capsule coffee maker here. I think this is an espresso brand. So kettles here, water kettle. Let's check out this one. This is for sale, of course. Here are the prices. This one is free, of course. The coffee and tea and such. And of course, your Nespresso capsules, which we'll definitely be using. Now, let's go to the bathroom here. So, it's a centralized air conditioning. You can set your air conditioning. And then there's a huge mirror here. And then, oh, this is a nice touch. There's a weighing scale here. And another set of bottled water here. So, separate yung toilet and then shower. So, let's check out the toilet first. Again, as expected, it's very luxurious and spacious. So, ito yung toilet nila. Separate from the shower. And then, there may phone pa siya. Of course, bidet. Standard toiletries like toothpaste, shower cap, vanity kit. Of course, hindi mawawala yung hair dryer here. Tapos, a nice touch is this glass here, mirror here for your face. And then, there's the shower. And then, spacious, very, very spacious shower here. And of course, here's the shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. They are included. Luxurious kind of vibe here at Conrad, as expected from a high-end hotel. Overall, there's very little to complain about. Even Conrad Manila's entry-level room feels spacious, elegant, and thoughtfully designed, delivering the level of comfort you'd expect from a world-class 5-star hotel. The only minor downside during our stay was that our rooms wasn't equipped with a smart TV. Aside from that, everything exceeded our expectations. I'm giving the room an A rating. It's outstanding and easily one of the best hotel rooms we've ever stayed in. One of Conrad Manila's biggest highlights is its exceptional lineup of amenities. The centerpiece is the beautiful heated swimming pool, complete with a pool bar, making it the perfect place to relax and unwind at any time of the day. It's also very family friendly, with a dedicated shallow area where younger kids and toddlers can safely enjoy the water. During our stay, the weather wasn't exactly ideal, but thanks to the comfortably warm pool temperature at night, we still had an amazing time swimming in the evening. It turned out to be one of the highlights of our stay, and our toddler and companions truly enjoyed swimming during the night. There's also a spacious 24-hour fitness center next to the pool, equipped with modern gym equipments, a luxurious spa for those looking to unwind, a stunning outdoor courtyard that's perfect for taking photos or simply enjoying the hotel's elegant atmosphere. Whether you're here for a staycation, a business trip, or a special celebration, Conrad Manila offers amenities that truly complement its 5-star luxury experience. Overall, I'm giving Conrad Manila an A+ for its exceptional amenities and world-class facilities. Everything is thoughtfully designed to deliver a truly luxurious experience and elevate your stay. One of Conrad Manila's standout feature is its unbeatable location. The hotel sits directly above Es Maison, an upscale boutique shopping mall occupying the first 2 floors of the building. Whether you're looking for fine dining, a quick coffee, luxury shopping, or everyday essentials, everything is just an elevator ride away. Another thing we really loved about Conrad Manila is its incredible convenience. The hotel is directly connected to the SMX Convention Center and SM Mall of Asia through a covered sky bridge, making it easy to get around without crossing the street. Right outside is the MOA Boardwalk, home to popular buffet restaurants, waterfront dining, cafes, and amusement rides. Whether you're visiting for business, shopping, dining, or a family staycation, everything is just a few minutes walk from the hotel. Due to its amazing location and very convenient access to both SMX Convention Center and SM Mall of Asia, it's another A+ for its location and convenience. What truly stood out throughout our stay was the exceptional level of service. From check-in to check-out, the staff consistently went above and beyond to make our experience as comfortable as possible. Since our group had been assigned rooms on different floors, the hotel graciously accommodated our request and moved our room closer to our colleagues. Another moment that really impressed us was when we accidentally left behind our toddler's bath towel. After contacting the hotel, the staff quickly located it and arranged to have it returned to us. The level of care and attention to detail is exactly what you'd expect from a world-class luxury hotel. Overall, I'm giving Conrad Manila an A for service. The hospitality was warm, professional, and genuinely astounding during our stay. The only reason it doesn't receive an A+ is because the main restaurant was closed during our visit, which meant our colleagues missed out on experiencing the hotel's highly regarded breakfast buffet. Overall, I highly recommend Conrad Manila. It's definitely one of the best hotel stays we've ever experienced. From its spacious and luxurious rooms, exceptional service, outstanding amenities, and unbeatable location in the heart of the Mall of Asia complex, it delivers a truly premium 5-star experience. While it comes at a premium price, the overall quality, comfort, and convenience more than justify the cost. Whether you're planning a family staycation, celebrating a special occasion, attending an event at SMX, or simply looking to treat yourself to a luxury getaway, Conrad Manila is an easy recommendation and a hotel we'd gladly stay again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe for more staycation videos. See you on our next travel.